Hi, good morning. You are watching Diksha Medical Ramana channel. Type Diksha Medical Ramana in YouTube search bar. Subscribe my channel and click bell icon for new updates. Hello students, this is KV Ramana, lecturer of Zoology. Today we are going to talk about one of the very important event in the transportation of gases, that is about carbon dioxide transportation. In the last previous lecture, we have completed about transportation of oxygen and what are the factors influence to formation of the oxyhemoglobin. At the same time, what are the factors influence on the to dissociation of the oxygen from the hemoglobin. At the same time, we have completed about what are the other factors influence on the oxyhemoglobin dissociation curve. In that, one is carbon monoxide, second one is fetal hemoglobin, third one is myoglobin. Right? Today we are going to talk about one of the important event in the transportation of gases, that is about the transportation of carbon dioxide. Basically, carbon dioxide is a gas which is produced during the catabolism of glucose. Right? So what is the oxygen is taken by the cells, that oxygen is utilized for the aerobic respiration. By the result of aerobic respiration, some products will be formed like water and energy, at the same time carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide, how it is transported? You know, carbon dioxide, if it is accumulated in the body, it leads to increase the acidic condition. It disturbs the total body mechanism, so that the carbon dioxide should come outside. Right? How it is transported? The carbon dioxide is produced in the tissues and enters in the bloodstream with the tissue capillaries. From here, it is carried to the lungs. The transportation of carbon dioxide from the tissues to lungs through the venous blood. At the same time, about 100 ml of venous blood, you are very clear about that. There is a 100 ml of venous blood. Venous blood is nothing but deoxygenated blood. Okay, now, about 100 ml of venous blood carries 52 ml of carbon dioxide. You remember, very important. Whereas 100 ml of arterial blood is nothing but oxygenated blood. Right? It carries 48 ml of carbon dioxide. So, if you find the difference between the venous blood carbon dioxide and arterial blood carbon dioxide, the difference is 4 ml. Right? That means the average normal arteriovenous difference is, the venous blood is a 52 ml, the arterial blood carries a 48 ml. That means each circulation, how much carbon dioxide is emitted from the body through the lungs, that is only 4 ml. What is the reason? Already the venous blood contains 52 ml of carbon dioxide, the arterial blood contains 48 ml of carbon dioxide. Right? So, what is the amount of carbon dioxide leaving from the body in each circulation is 4 ml. That means 52 minus 48 will get the 4 ml. That is the answer. The average normal arteriovenous difference is of the carbon dioxide is there is about 4 ml. At the same time, each 100 ml of arterial blood while passing through the tissues takes up 4 ml only, because already 48 ml of carbon dioxide already existed in the arterial blood. So, each circulation, how much carbon dioxide will be picked up? There is a 4 ml of carbon dioxide will be picked up and added to the arterial blood to become a 52. It is about the venous blood. This venous blood carries the carbon dioxide towards the lungs. Then each 100 ml of venous blood while passing through the lungs, it is send off 4 ml of carbon dioxide. Very important events. You are very clear about that, right? Basically, during the transportation of gases between the body cells or tissues to the lungs, okay, now there is a carbon dioxide transportation is going on. How the carbon dioxide transportation is going on? See, each cycle there is a 52 ml of carbon dioxide is present in the 100 ml of venous blood. Okay, now if you leave the 4 ml from the 52 ml, if you leave out the 4 ml of carbon dioxide, remaining amount is the, it is 48 ml of carbon dioxide will be remaining the oxygenated blood. So this oxygenated blood again reaches to the body cells and pick up the 4 ml of carbon dioxide, again it become a 52 ml. That means in each cycle the blood will collect the 4 ml of carbon dioxide from the tissues and it leave the 4 ml of carbon dioxide from the lungs to outside the atmosphere, right? Very important thing is, the main reason is the solubility of carbon dioxide more than the oxygen. That's why more amount of carbon dioxide will be existed in the arterial blood. Just you check, you compare with the carbon dioxide and oxygen. When you are a normal resting condition, what is the percentage of oxygen will be transported throughout the tissues, right? When you are a normal condition, in each cycle generally there is a 20 ml of oxygen will be carried to the arterial blood. About the 20 ml of oxygen, only 5 ml of oxygen will be taken by the cells and rest of the 15 ml of oxygen will be remain in the venous blood. Yes or no? Right? So here what happens now, there is a 52 ml of carbon dioxide is transported through the venous blood and there is a 48 ml of carbon dioxide is already existed in the arterial blood. The difference between the 52 and 48 is 4 ml. In each cycle 4 ml of carbon dioxide will be picked up from the cells, right? So this is a major difference between the transportation of carbon dioxide and oxygen. Let me explain. What are the ways the carbon dioxide is transported? Generally there are 3 ways the carbon dioxide is transported. One is in the form of a physical solution. That means there is no chemical reactions takes place, just it is a dissolved form. The carbon dioxide dissolved in the liquid plasma, right? And most of the carbon dioxide is transported by the chemical reactions. Generally carbon dioxide transportation is done in 3 different ways. One is the physical solution, that is nothing but the dissolved form through the plasma. Second one is chemical reactions, that is as a bicarbonate ions or as a carbaminohemoglobin through RBC. Yes. Let me explain about the, as a physical solution, how much carbon dioxide is transported, right? As a physical solution or in the dissolved form through the plasma, there is a 7% of carbon dioxide is transported. And the very important, the difference is the transportation of oxygen also will be carried through the physical solution, that is about 3%, but the carbon dioxide transportation is a 7%. Now what is the reason? The reason is carbon dioxide has a high solubility than the oxygen. That means the solubility nature of carbon dioxide is more than the oxygen. That's why more amount of carbon dioxide can be transported compared with the oxygen, can be transported through the liquid plasma or physical solution or dissolved form through the plasma, right? Let me explain in the next session or next lecture about the as a bicarbonate ions and as a carbaminohemoglobin. Thank you.